couch looks so comfortable. Welcome back to another glove video. See what we can find at Ikea. Let's go. Guys, when you go to Ikea, you always gotta have your notebook, your little piece of paper, and your measuring tape. You never know what you're gonna have to need to measure. What is it, Ralphie?
It looks like a...
Check out this lamp, guys. This lamp is so cool.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the...
So cool. I'm feeling really cool right now.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my beauty tutorial. Today we're just gonna do 1 coat of conditioner and 2 coats of makeup. So get ready with me. This right here is a look silly. We're going to the chairs. Good chair. Welcome to all my chairs. That one's called Honest Bad. Diddling chair. That one's called chair. That river right there is Perslaba. 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 Chair's actually so nice. So good. Hi. Welcome back. My name's Rachel Ray, and today I want you to buy my pots and pans. Here we go.
I'm hungry.
Let's see how they like it.
I'm hungry. Boom. I'm hungry, Dad.
Alright, and what can I get you to? Water. Water, perfect, yes. And do you want an appetizer to start, or are you just ready to eat? Boy, if you don't...
I know, with the player and Roblox, and you can see, look at all the Roblox. Let's go.
Bro, it's my favorite. It's a wart. A wart. I didn't realize they had a glorp here. How the heck did they get this?
That's where they got
a glorp. They get a glorp, dude.
Oh, glorp. That's a bardigan. Cauldron? No, this is a clock run.
Oh.
3 times heat, bro. 3 times heat. What is it?
Absolutely.
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 Respect. Bro, that's a thin Fiordella. Sorry, guys. I'm just, He's up, he's going. Got him, I got him.
He definitely just broke that.
You good?
Alright, guys. That's all we've got for Ikea today. Make sure you go to your local Ikea and say what's up and try to say all the easy names to say. You can like this name. Go ahead and say it for us. I've Rotsplats.